Hi, my name is Erica Steeves, product stylist and commercial photographer. Today I am going to be taking you on location while I do a brand photography shoot for a group of influencers. They all collaborate together and work with local businesses here in Montreal. And as a product stylist and commercial photographer, it is such a great collaboration to be working with people that need high quality content and they understand and respect what you do as a photographer, and then you get exposure to so many other brands that you hadn't had previously. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started on today's shoot. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. A new video will be launching every Tuesday where I take you behind the scenes, giving you product styling, tips and tricks, and commercial photography, and so much more. Always creating content, always finding new ways to add value to you. So if you have any questions or if you have any ideas of things that you're looking for, just drop them in the comments below and I'll see what I can do to help create content to add more value for you. So in today's video, I'm going to be using natural light and available light. I do have a speed light with me, so if we're going to be doing indoor shots or if it's too dark, I'll be able to fill it in with this. But primarily, I'm going to be looking to capture really beautiful imagery with just the sunlight that we have here today. Thankfully, it is really bright and sunny, but that does cause some problems, and working in the shadows will be some of the things that I'll be talking about and showing. And maybe I'll even show you a little bit of what it looks like to shoot in direct light so you can gain that knowledge as well. And I'm going to be shooting with Val here. She is does energy therapy and is a healer. She is one of the influencers I'm working with today. I'll link her here, but super excited to be shooting this like boho kind of vibe. Currently I have my light pretty harsh on this side, so we're gonna try doing some shots here, but if the lighting is too harsh, we're gonna go around the side, because generally when you're shooting with natural light, you always want to have the sun coming from behind you so that there's no crazy shadows and things like this on your face. She does have a hat, so maybe I'll be able to capture some really great content. Let's tune in and let's see what happens. Okay, so as expected, you can see here that when we were shooting, she was getting really harsh light on one side because the light is coming from this side. So just by turning her face, staying on the same orientation where we were shooting along this tall grass, just by doing that, I was able to eliminate all the shadows on her face and we were able to capture some really beautiful imagery. So keep watching to the final end of the video and you'll see all of the edited images from today's session. Are you loving today's video? Remember to drop me some comments below and say heck yes, or tell me what takeaways that you're having from today's video. And if you have any questions, don't be afraid, just drop them in the comments below. Hi, so we are back shooting and I'm shooting now with Val. She is a self-help coach and she is a podcaster, so super excited to keep shooting and doing some lifestyle imagery to help promote her podcast and her coaching. Can't wait to get started. Okay, so for shooting with Val, we are indoors and you can see I have her positioned nice right beside a nice window where there is light flooding in. I'm also using my speed light here that is going to fill in anything so that it's not dark and any shadows and stuff like this. So this is how you can create photography inside, mixing both natural light and like forced light. Anyway, let's keep shooting and remember to watch the end of the video to see the final edited images from today. Okay, I am on to the next set. I'm going to be shooting with Julie. She is the founder of Pure Prep, and we are going to be creating tons of content. She wants to really embody empowerment and femininity, so we are going to be capturing lots of really fun content. We're back outdoors and with a natural light. The light is going over is setting on the other side of the house, so it's not as harsh right now. So I think we'll be able to do some direct sunlight, which could be really interesting for you. So keep watching and let's do this. Working with new clients is always tricky, and it's really great to build a relationship so you have repeat customers, and that's what these girls are. I've worked with them many times, and it's a collaboration that we are building, and the trust, I know what to expect when working with them, but that's not always the case. I work with a lot of new clients, and I have perfected a workflow that helps set expectations and really prepares my clients for what to expect when they arrive on set, and anything that might go wrong, and how you can take control of the photo shoot so that you are positioning yourself as an expert. And I think it's really helpful, even if you have a system in place, it could be interesting to see for a different point of view if there's ways that you can improve your current workflow. And if you don't have one right now and it's something you're struggling with, I think it could be really helpful for you too. You can grab that in the link below. It is my full onboarding process. Thank you so much for joining me today as I took you behind the scenes, capturing all this really great content for these girls who are influencers. Just really amazing that they have this opportunity to collaborate and work with different brands, and they brought me on to be able to capture that. I love that they're not necessarily studio sessions, and you have more of a brand lifestyle vibe to these photos, and it's a bit more organic. I really feel that if you are a wedding photographer or even a family portrait photographer, doing collaborations like this is a really great opportunity to just to have more clients, to fill your calendar and have more work. So this is something that I'm diving into and just like leaning into more, and I've really enjoyed it, and I think it could be really great for you. So what are you waiting for? Like, look for micro influencers or medium-sized influencers. So it's just really great exposure for me as a photographer, but also for them to have really great high quality content that they can share on their feed.